Hello guys, today we learn what is function in C. To implement this, we have required like Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler, and installation of CC plus extension Visual Studio Code. Now let us see what is function in C. A function is a block of code that performs a particular task, and there are different types of function. First one is standard library functions. For example, printf, sqrt, gets, which are all the standard library functions. You can use this function using the include of sdio.h, mat.h. And now comes to the point user defined function. You can create function as per your requirement. Such function is called user defined function. For syntax you can see return type, it will be integer, double, void means nothing, and give the name to function name like add a number, subtract a number. Here, for specific talks, you can provide the uh, correct name, correct definition, correct function name so that you can identify what the function will do. And after that you can see here there is parenthesis and there is parameters. This will be like single parameters, double, multiple, n parameters you can pass. And after that open curly braces and closing of curly braces, then body of the function. Here you can write the code to write a particular task. And here you can see how to call this function into your program. Like return type, if that is integer you can provide integer, if there is void you can do nothing. Return types you can omit this, and after that you can give the function name whatever you write the function name here. And after that you can provide the parameters whatever you have pass the parameters like integer 1, integer a, integer b, comma. Now let us see how can this will implement in Visual Studio Code. To implement this function, let us see. Open Visual Studio Code. Now go to your folder C program, and after that you can see, click on new file and put here like program name like function.c, that extension of C, and press enter. So you can see here function.c program file name will be created here. Now I have to write a program. So first you need to include header file sdio.h. Then you put the main function integer mains and returns in like 0 you can put. Now here we write to our programs adding two numbers using the function user function. So first we write to a function name to add two numbers like integer function name, like I put add, and I have to passing two parameters like first number and second number. So integer a first parameter, integer b. Here I want to add two numbers using the functions, and after that put curly braces. So when we have to pass two numbers, it will give the results of summing of two numbers. So simply I have put have return, that is integer, so I will put a plus b. So whenever we call these functions, it will be return sum of a plus b. Now you can see here integer a, integer b, that is the main function you can learn here, like integer, return type, function name I have put here add, and I need to pass two arguments like integer, like first number and second number. So I put only C, integer A, integer B, that is first number and second number. After passing these two arguments, means two numbers need to output sum of these two numbers. So return only I put here return A plus B. So you can see that is the main function. Now I want to calling this function into our main program. You can see here integer main. So simply I need first I put integer C, then C equal to add. I need to pass two numbers, so also need to define like integer A, integer B. And now initialize these two numbers like integer A 100 and integer B 200. And a result for C A equal to, need to call the function name like add and passing two arguments like A and comma B. So when we pass this function as C equal to add, that is function name, and B, we get the total, we get the sum of these two numbers, and this sum of two numbers will added in the variable C, which is type of integer. Now I want to print this two numbers, so simply I have write printf, that is the standard library functions, and here you can put like the sum of two number each, format is specifier D, and simply you can put C, that will print the sum of these two numbers. So now run this program. So here you can see we get the error like return 0. There is something missing here. So you can see error expected semicolon before return. So I have missed the semicolon. So put semicolon, save this application again, program through the control S and run the code again. So you can see the sum of two number is 300. That is right. So here you learn how to define a function and use of the function in C. So simply we put like data type, we it may be like integer, double, whatever you have required, and after putting here function name, like I put here add, according to the talks of the function, you can put the function name accordingly, and whatever parameter you have required you can pass it, like single parameter, double parameters, and what the function will do you can write here in body of this function. And how to calling this, simply add function name and passing the parameter, and whatever value return you can store into a variable, which may be an integer, character, whatever. So this is the function defining. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.